Welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Glow Getter. I hope you all are amazing and doing great in your lives. So today I'm back with another video. In this video I'm gonna tell you about the different kind of websites, like how you know about this website is connected to a particular organization or a particular institute or education system, or it is connected to a particular business. So how you can differentiate between them by differentiating or identifying the domain name of a particular website. So first of all, what is domain name? Names. So these are the names given by the company or organization to a particular websites. Okay, I'm gonna show you the example of a domain name. This is the basic structural representation of a domain, like how we write the domain name. HTTPs are the protocols and www is the World Wide Web. That is the subdomain part, and domain name is always comes in between in middle. And .com tell you about the top level domain, that is the .com tell you about the commercial websites. Okay, and this is the example of a domain name. You can see a domain name is a unique name that identifies a website. So and www here is tell you about this website is concerned with the World Wide Web, and any trademark name is the domain name of a particular website. So here is the domain name is any trademark name that tell you about this is the website that is concerned with the organization, and .com tell you about the commercial websites, and .in tell you means that this company is registered in India. Okay, so this is how the different kind of domain names are present all over the internet. Okay, let's talk about the different kinds of suffix that are useful to identify the different kinds of websites. Okay, first I'm going to tell you about .com. You know, .com is always concerned with the commercial websites, so these websites are open to everyone. Okay, I'm going to show you the example. Kinds of websites ending with suffix .com, that means these are the commercial websites. These are open to everyone can access these websites. You can see here forbes.com, study.coms. so these are the examples of .coms or commercial websites. Second is .net. You know, these are the most popular domain names used by the companies all over the world to launch their products or launch their businesses. So these are the .net suffix always tell you about this website is concerned with the companies or business. Okay, I'm gonna show you the example of a .net here.
So guys, you can see on the screen these are the websites ending with suffix .net.
Most important is .org. .org tell you about this is the website concerned with the organizations, non-profit organizations. Okay, so these are websites are open to everyone, means everyone can access these websites. I'm gonna show you the example of these organizations website here.
So guys, here you can see the particular websites on your screen. These websites are basically associated with organizations. So you can see in the end of a domain name suffix is .org. So this suffix tell you about the organization's website.
One is edu. .edu. Edu tell you about that this particular website is connected with education system. Okay, and you cannot access these websites until and unless you don't have any username or password. I'm going to show you the example of .edu or educational websites. You can see here.
So guys, these examples of edu you can see on the screen. These websites are having edu as a suffix in it, and you can see these are connected with any particular institutes, education institutes or university.
Is .mil. These are the military websites of US. I'm going to show you the example of military websites.
You can see here this is the navy.mil. As I told you about, mil represents the military websites of US. So if I open this navy.mil, it will show you the America's Navy homepage. Okay, so this is how these mil domain name associated with military force in America. And you can see much more examples of .mil, health mil, MHS home. The health mil website is organizational web presence for military health system, okay, of you.
And sixth one is .gov, that means government. These are the government websites, but these can be government websites of any other country, so you have to check the code of a particular country. UK, IN, US, these are the country codes of any country. In Indian government websites, you always have a in the suffix. You can see in the suffix part. The suffix .in tell you about this website is in India or it is Indian websites. Okay.
So guys, on the screen you can see the government websites having .in. .in is the country code like India, and you can see here www.usa.government. That means it's the government page website of USA, and .in means it's Indian website. You can see here also .in as a suffix.
I think this video was helpful and informative, and you got the idea about how you can identify the websites by just watching the domain name or suffix of a particular websites. So please like it and share it and subscribe my channel for more informative videos, and please comment on it. Bye bye, take care, stay safe.